Welcome to Painting with Carla. Today we're going to learn 4 easy watercolor Easter card ideas using a toilet paper roll. My very first tip is cutting the paper roll in the half so you can use it for different colors and you don't need to have like many of them. Next is make sure that your paper roll is wet before adding the watercolor so it works better. Then you're adding the watercolor with the roll dry, okay? So our first one will be a little bunny, and after we make the head using the help of the toilet paper roll, we're gonna make some cute ears using also the toilet paper roll. Okay, so you just feel like how the water and the watercolor will behave and just add more color as much as you need. Folding a little bit the roll, you just press it like this and you're gonna have 2 cute ears. While we wait the bunny to dry a little bit, let's go to the second one. For the second one, we want the shape of an egg. So we just need to press a little bit and we're gonna have this beautiful shape of an egg. And the same for the second egg, just doing exactly the same, adding more pigment as much as you need. And for our third painting, we are painting 2 egg shapes. So I'm starting with a blue and then I will go with a pink one. Same thing, you make a little bit wet and then you add the watercolor and press it into the paper. If you see the color didn't melt, you go and you press a little bit more, you can add a little bit of pigment and there we go. Next one, just gonna need a round shape because we're gonna paint a little bunny seen from the back. So super cute. And we start with this round shape, okay? Now we're painting a half circle. That is the bunny's head. And then later we're gonna paint 2 little ears. Cute ears, just like this. You don't need much, just a brush stroke. You see? Now we're going back to our second painting, adding the third egg. I'm using pink color for that, and it's the same thing we did for the others. Now as you can see, we're going back to the other paintings and we are adding other layers, we are adding some details. I'm adding these cute ears to these eggs, so they will be little bunny eggs. And they will look super cute. They should be easy, super easy to paint, and you can use the color you want. I'm painting this second ear a little bit different, so they won't be the same. And to our fourth bunny, we're adding some grass, just like this. Very simple but very cute. Going back to the second painting, I'm adding some embellishment to the eggs. Just use your creativity and have fun. While the painting is drying, you can add in details to the other paintings, going back and forth. That's why I'm painting all of them together, because we can see how we can apply the paintings, the layers, and see them drying, going and adding another layer. By now we have almost all of them done. I'm just adding some details to everything, little eyes, nose, and a little happy face to the bunnies. And now it's time to use your creativity to have fun. Now they're done. I'm just gonna remove the washi tape and cut them and use them to send some cute watercolor Easter card. Let me know which one is your favorite, if you're gonna try any of them, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.